This is Unity for Microsoft Teams. This is the Unity Supervisor version. It's very similar to the agent version. There's just a few extra controls, but in terms of the core control elements, it's all exactly the same. And that's what we're going to be showing you here. To log in, you'll have your login credentials provided by Uboss. The key thing that when you first run this application, you'll see that the server address is blank, and the server address will always be for us, xsp.insmartcloud.com. You click login. It will log you into the platform, and straight away you are presented with some details here. You've got some basic call center controls at the top here. I can go unavailable to the call center queues. I can become available to take some calls. I can go to wrap up, and that would be after a call, so I can maybe update some notes in the CRM or anything along those lines. When I'm on a call, this button I can use to release the call. Here is a dial pad, so if I want to free type a number to dial, I can use that here, and then simply press the dial button. Have a call transfer button, which will come into play when I'm obviously on a call. The call hold button, again, while I'm on a call to put a call on hold. This button will control the recording options, depending on whether you have call recording or not. This one here will send you straight to voicemail or to listen to a voicemail call, should I say. And this one here is to open chat.